Planning a successful date can be nerve-wracking, but a little preparation can ease the anxiety. Start by choosing a suitable location that matches the tone you want, whether it's a fancy restaurant or a casual ice cream spot, keeping crowd levels in mind. Picking her up shows thoughtfulness and allows for conversation, so consider bringing flowers as a romantic gesture. Dress appropriately for the occasion, and confirm plans beforehand to avoid any misunderstandings. During the date, put your phone on silent. Engage in meaningful conversation by asking about her family, occupation, interest, and dreams, and listen actively. Small gestures like opening doors and being polite can enhance the experience, but be attentive to her reactions and preferences. Ultimately, focus on being genuine, interesting, and respectful to create a memorable time together.